Hello, this is a complete set of notes for Chapter 10 for Bridge to Math 3 about finding the angle measures and segment lengths of angles and segments in circles. Today we're only going to worry about the angles, and the segment lengths will come in a different section of the book. So we're only going to be looking at the red part of the notes today, and the purple part will come later. I'll attach a copy of these notes to the assignment. Also, they're already posted on Instagram. So looking at all of the notes together, there are 7 pictures, but there's really only 3 types of problems. The first type of problem, the angle that we're looking at has its vertex at the center of the circle. The second type of problem, the vertex is inside the circle, but not at the center. The third type of problem, and there's 2 possible ways you could draw this picture, is that the vertex is on the circle. And then there's a last type of problem where the vertex is on the outside of the circle. So if we look at the first one where the vertex is at the center, we've already covered this one. This angle is called a central angle. So angle PAQ, whatever the measure of this angle is, the arc PQ will have the same measure. In this picture, the vertex is inside the circle, but not at the center. And if we want to find the measure of angle PVQ, we have to add the 2 arcs that are intersected. So we take the yellow arc plus the pink arc and divide by 2, and we will know the measure of this angle. In this picture, the vertex is on the circle, and this type of angle is called an inscribed angle. And the inscribed angle will always be half of the arc. So if you want to know what angle PVQ is, you take this yellow arc and you divide it by 2. Here's another example where the vertex is on the circle. And if we want to find this angle, angle PVW, it's the same formula. We take the intercepted arc, which is pink, and divide it by 2. If we want to find angle YVP, then we have to take the arc that YVP intercepts, which is this yellow arc. And if we take that arc and divide it by 2, we'll know angle YVP. This is the first example where the vertex is on the outside of the circle, and the angle intercepts a pink arc and a yellow arc. To find the measure of angle PVQ, you have to subtract the bigger yellow arc minus the smaller pink arc and divide by 2. And that will tell you this angle. Here's another example where the vertex is outside the circle, but the formula is the same. This angle intercepts this big yellow arc, and we subtract this smaller pink arc and divide by 2, and then we'll know the measure of angle PVQ. And this is our last picture. The vertex, again, is outside the circle, so the formula is the same. We take the large intercepted arc that's yellow minus the small intercepted arc that's pink, divide by 2, and that'll tell us the measure of angle PVQ.